welcome to Idiot Dog World Records. And here's Idiot Dog, the fattest person in the world. Look how fat he is.
No, it's you. Idiot owner. That's your new name. Actually, your name is, how about, Be Bright Glyco Wonder.
Now is the fastest way to make your mom mad. Her watch. And now, this. Going down, going down, going down. Alright.
Oh no! Don't rush down! I'm flushed down the toilet!
Sorry, Mom. Also, person in the shower for the longest time. There's actually a person in there. He's been in there for 5 million years.
I think it's done.
Done? Yeah, I can see skeleton. Okay. Now, look. Here is coolest, also coolest train. Coolest train.
Thomas.
Also, his driver, which is over here. Let's see if we can find him. Ugly is trapped. Alright. Okay, go away. Here he goes.
Now let's do best arrows player. Fastest way to get a bullseye. Bullseye!
Let me do it again.
And now-
Do it again. The camera didn't see.
But, okay. I'm way up there.
Okay. Oh, he got a bullseye!
And the triple of 1 million bullseye. It's 1 million times a bullseye, which is really good. Are you filming the target?
Yes.
Camera free? Okay. No, that one, no. Bullseye!
Let's zoom in on it. Zoom in on it. Oh my gosh, he got a perfect bullseye just by throwing it.
Here's a bullseye with my eyes closed.
Also look. Fast way to make someone pass out. Alright,
What now? I dreamed that somebody hit me with the, and I was on the world record, and then somebody hit me with the rock.
that's real. Also,
Fastest way to kill somebody.
hey, give me that. That's mine.
Well, what if I want it?
No, and also this is look, rock's bigger than the Earth.
Now, this rock is bigger than the sun, which is bigger than the earth.
This rock is bigger than the Earth, and it's gonna crash into your head and knock you out.
I had a dream that we were having a world record show, and you knocked me out again, idiot owner.
Hey, where you going?
I quit.
Hey, you can't quit. Hey, I want to do this heaviest rock. Here, take this.
Oh!
Okay, give me the rock back.
Should we do something a little smaller?
Okay, this is the rock that you can lift up.
How about you challenge me to this?
Okay, piece up the piece of paper. You can't even lift up a piece of paper.
And now the highest jump by somebody who's only 1 million pounds.
That was pretty short.
It's huge.
Also, fast way to... Right now, hey, get out of here! Get out of here!
And now it's the fastest time to pee. Where's my little friend? We got it.
Also, fastest way to blind yourself.
Fast for me.
Fastest way to blind yourself.
Oh, I can see perfectly. I'm walking through the wall. I'm gonna go to the donut shop. See you tomorrow.
Hey, how much are you gonna eat? 1 million donuts?
No, 2 million.
Hey, if you shut the door, I'll beat you up. Ready to get your beating?
Hey, that didn't hurt. Look, I didn't get my donuts yet. Actually, I'm gonna go get more food.
Next record show.
Okay, goodbye. See you next time on Poopy Dog World Records.
And also, sneeze really fast.